have 48 hours to push this app onto Play Store, and there are more than 40 known issues that I need to fix. Why only 48 hours? Well, my exams are starting after that. So this is a movie companion app that I built, and if I don't upload it now, then I have to wait 1 month for my exams to get over. But I'm pretty sure if I wait that much, I will lose interest. I will think this app is boring and I will not even upload it. So 48 hours. There are more than 40 bugs that I need to fix, and all these 40 plus bugs, I'm not going to fix them in any particular order, but I have organized them in buckets, and those buckets are: if I skip this, the app is embarrassing; stuff that makes it feel like app; the screen that has to look right; and invisible work nobody asked for. There is also a fifth bucket. I call it ambitious one. Everything I want to build but probably can't finish it before 48 hours goes here. But we will try though, we will try. The app has no icon, just the default Flutter thing, and we need to fix that and give it identity. Honestly, icons are one of my things. I genuinely enjoy making them. That means I cannot be trusted with them right now. I will spend all of my time there. So let's make something boring, something straightforward, something obvious, something done. Actually, this app isn't for movie only. Books, TV shows, anime, everything is included. So this icon doesn't really make sense. We are not doing this right now. There is a scary folder in this project that I am genuinely scared to touch. Here is one of my opinion about app building. You can be lazy with the UI. Phones these days can render 3D objects, so buttons and text will render just fine. But if you get lazy with the network layer or the API layer, you will be staring at that loading screen for a while. And so will your users too. And the problem with this app's API layer is that it was built the same way you pack your bag if you're already late. Just put everything in, zip it, and deal with it later. But it worked, so I never dealt with it later until now. Now is the time.
This is 4 a.m. Actually, exactly 4 a.m. And honestly speaking, I am a little bit annoyed because now the code is little too clean. Like, it's extremely lightweight. Every page is like 80 line of code, and some are not even 80 line of code. So when I was new to it, I was trying to maintain files with more than 200-300 line of code, and now I need to just maintain 20 and 30 line of code. It doesn't even feel mine now. It just feels like I'm following some rules of someone else. Where was I? Yeah, I can't talk. Let's talk in the morning.
This is next day, and I have genuinely fixed the API layer, and I can't list what I fixed because it will take longer to explain that than what I fixed. And honestly, I feel I fixed double the issues that I have opened in GitHub related to this. There were some issues were actually hidden, and the code was genuinely embarrassing. There were some files that was 70 to 80 line of code, but the thing that they were doing could have been done easily with 3-4 line of code. And I'm not exaggerating, 3-4 line of code. So let's sit back here and enjoy the beauty. Anyways, you are probably doing the math. You saw the timer and you think, Babul, it's been however many hours and you just fixed 2 issues, the icon and the API layer. Well. Let's see how many issues I have fixed. Yeah, turned out half of the issues were downstreams of the API layer. Wrong data, weird state, all of it. One fake 15 issues gone. Honestly, I'm not really surprised. And I just woke up, it's 1 p.m. and don't judge me, I think I slept at 5 a.m. So how many hours do we have left? 20 hours. Doable, totally doable. Wait a minute, exam starts at 9 a.m. and I can't just teleport there. Let's say I sleep at 11 p.m. That leaves us with 10 hours. That's difficult, really difficult. But there is hope, there is some hope because of the big issues that we have fixed. Currently the app is at such a bad stage that it isn't even opening in my physical device. We are cooked and dead. Let's take a movie philosophy break. It's our tradition to add one feature to this app based on some movie philosophy. I will always trust writer and director over anyone else in the movie. But following a director's filmography sometimes leads to genres, which if you don't know, I hate. I mean, I don't hate it, I just don't enjoy it. Like if you follow Nolan, then you will get your brain fried, tense story and something weird happening with the time. If you follow Zack Snyder, then slow motion, explosion, and someone have daddy issues. It's not a bad thing, that's just what it is. But if you follow actors, they are chaotic. For example, Jack Gyllenhaal has done what? Psychological thriller, a war satire, superhero movie, disaster film, Roadhouse. The range is chaotic. Trust an actor and you get variety. Trust a director, you will get depth in one direction. Both are good in their own way. This app doesn't support actors' filmography, so we need to fix that. Even if that costs us this app not getting released. Yeah, I know I'm recycling the asset, but we are on a rush, so 9 issues and 2 hours. Why is this impossibly possible? I mean, it's possible if everything goes as planned, but nothing ever goes as planned. The main thing now left is caching. I had this great idea to catch everything, to save API calls, but it made the app very slow, very buggy. I'm not gonna fix it, I'm gonna burn it. I'm gonna enjoy every second of it and I'm gonna burn it. This app from now on will be only online app. It's working, guys, everything is working. It's 4 a.m. in the morning again. I was completing the API at 4 a.m. day 1 and day 2 I'm finishing the app. I don't know what this says about me, but I really need to sleep. My exams are in 5 hours and I haven't slept. Anyways, this app is going on the Play Store. If you want the access to the link, the link is in the description. Download it, break it, tell me what's wrong. Now I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, all that, and check this playlist. It has all the devlogs of this movie companion app.